Upgraded turbos. This is the owner of the infamous Pure 1000 AMG GTS. How you doing, sir? Thanks for coming today.
Good, what's up? How are you?
How much did everything cost for the upgrades?
I would say I'm into it somewhere between 25 and 30,000. Pure 1000 turbos, downpipes, and I did a stage 3 tune. Had it dynoed, did K&W coilovers, and I did some Rada wheels that look like the old school monoblock
yeah,
that
they look
you'll
great.
see.
I love it.
Yep, and we did a transmission tune on it, and right now it's dynoed at just under 800 wheel horse, which is pretty insane for a small car like this.
That's crazy. And so we're gonna be testing that in today's video as well. So we're gonna make a quick trip to Mexico.
Yep, I can't wait. We'll get some tequila when we're there. And I don't know, I mean, after the tequila shot, I might be selling it, and if anyone's interested, I'm thinking somewhere between like 17 and 18,000 for it.
Would you straight trade it for my car?
Absolutely, yes, yep, 100%.
But how much would you say like the entire Darwin Pro kit was?
Yeah, I didn't do the Darwin Pro kit. Bespoke Auto out of Arizona did it. From what I heard, they told me it was $60,000 build for labor, install, parts, everything. Side skirts, diffuser in the back, front, bumpers, wing, mirror covers.
Perfect. I'm very excited to have these cars next to each other. And since you have the upgraded turbos, how often do you do like the servicing and stuff?
Normal service, very reliable. I actually go to Farley at Eurotech in Natick. Amazing place, very fair prices, and I just basically go in for oil change and filter tune, you know, maintenance. And
like
I would say,
5K miles?
Yeah, I go like somewhere between 4,000 to 6,000 miles.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah,
depending on my schedule. Yeah, it's a 2016. Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Thanks again for coming out, and let's get to the testing.
Let's do it.
Today we're going to be moving AMGs. As you can see, we have AM Genetics here and Thomas 63 AMG. As you can see, these guys just emit all of the emissions, so you can thank them for not having plastic straws at Starbucks. It's a nice BMW. Yep, here's the great AMGs. You know, that one looks utterly insane, pure turbos. Really can't beat that. I mean, you just hear it and it just shakes the ground. This one looks pretty good too. How do I stop recording? Good. Good.
All right, now that we have the two cars together, my car has the Valtronic catback system, the EVM, and the Jesse catted downpipe. This one is just full straight catless, and I think it's only proper if we compare what they sound like, because the Pure 1000s, if you guys can hear me over this exhaust, since more air is coming in, it's going to change the tone of the exhaust.
Yes, hold on, ready?
Yeah. I love the sound.
Thank you.
My best friend has similar to this car.
Oh, nice.
And whenever he's coming to the town,
Yeah.
we know who's coming.
Who's?
That's so funny.
That's awesome.
Yeah, enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right, got the Traggy ready, and we're in Mexico now. Tire warm up. Go for it. 6 seconds dead. 6.0. It was getting a little bit
Yeah, you can
squirrely.
feel it,
Yeah,
right?
you're
Little.
easily in the fives, like mid fives probably.
I would think so.
Next one. Yep, next one. Those downshifts sound crazy.
AW coilovers he has look awesome, and I think they perform great too.
Should I do that?
Yeah. I mean, dude,
Are you sure I should do that?
how much worse can it get? How much worse can it get? And think about this.
The
Think
whole
about this.
bumper can come off.
Okay, but then think about this. How much better could this get? You know, you got like.
What
are
is
the
this?
pros
Like,
and cons?
this is like 3 fingers.
Three
That's
fingers.
that's not good.
I feel like a credit card.
In Mass, dude? In Pennsylvania you can, but not over here. Did you see the video of how that happened?
I have not seen that yet.
Okay,
no.
I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh my fuck. So as you guys seen from that footage, we were able to get 6.0 flats. The car wasn't even putting down all the power too. So imagine that's with slip 6.0. So, and unfortunately we only had enough time to do one run today. Plus it was getting really busy on the highway. So, you know, Mexico traffic is
A
kind of.
lot of people are, you know, it's a big
Yeah.
vacation weekend
Yeah.
in Tijuana.
The owner was saying that there's a tiny issue with the tune, so it's not like fully like adapted and everything like that. I might do pure 900s. Should I do pure 900s?
Yeah. You got to stop asking the question and pull the trigger, man.
Do you have $6,000?
I have $6.
Honestly, I'll take it.
Deal's the deal. Shake on it. Come here. Left hand. If I was to say it, Pure 1000s, you do notice a difference even in the exhaust tone itself. You
Yeah,
notice
because
it's
more
a
airflow.
You notice it's a much deeper overall tone. It sounds a little more guttural. He was also on Pilot Sport 4S tires, you know, those aren't up to temp.
Matching
it's very,
Cup 2s.
Yeah, if you had grippier tires, I think a little bit cooler weather, you're easily shaving off half a second, easily. Like, I think grip was not your friend, and today it's, although the temperature's not too bad, it's a little humid, and you know, it is getting a little toasty at this time, so I definitely think those were playing against you. I don't know what the DA was either, but it probably wasn't amazing either, but I think this car is extremely capable of some good numbers.
Thank you, sir, for getting those rollers for me. But other than that, I'll leave in my stock turbo AMG GTS.
Oh, boo-hoo.
See y'all in the next one.